Good Monday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. This is your outlook for November 3rd, 2014. And we have one system that's exiting off to the northeast here and out of our area. It was actually sitting up over off the coastal New England waters here on Sunday, and we're still close enough. We had a tight pressure gradient. I think we do start off a little on the breezy side early on Monday, but wind should die down a little bit as we get this high pressure moving off towards south here. So this high pressure will still keep, will actually bring the winds in from the west, and so it's not going to be that cold northwest wind. We should have a moderation in temperatures today. Mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-50s for the most part, mid-upper 50s in some cases, as opposed to the 40s that it was stuck in for most areas on Sunday. So we'll definitely feel a lot warmer today, and that is going to be the theme for the next couple days. This high pressure is going to sink off to the east-southeast and kind of sit right off here, off the coast here on Tuesday. At the same time, a cold front is going to move eastward, and that's going to affect our area here in the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. So let's look ahead here now. Here is look at Monday morning, and then we get through the day on Monday. Obviously, nothing going on here on Monday. Might be a few clouds early to start on Tuesday, and then Tuesday should be a nice day as well, called partly cloudy. You can see that high pressure is now off the southeastern U.S. coastline, and at the same time we have a cold front that's moving to the east here as well. This is in association with a low pressure here over southeastern Canada. This is going to march off to the east here. It's going to lose some of this moisture that's with it here ahead of it. It's going to kind of die off as it heads to the east here, so we're not worried about that. However, as we move this a little bit forward yet, here you can see that front just kind of falling apart here, but it's still staying intact down to the south here. And as we go to the next frame here, here is the look at the cold front still in the vicinity here, very slow to move through. Low pressure is going to try to form along this frontal boundary as it moves off to the northeast, and that's going to allow for some enhanced precipitation totals, I think, here on Thursday, by the time we get to Thursday. So some showers moving in here overnight, Wednesday night it looks like, and then as you get into Thursday, here's Thursday morning, Thursday midday, Thursday afternoon, and we're getting into the area low pressure that's moving right along that coast, right along that frontal boundary, which at this point, frontal boundary is sitting like this, and here's your area low pressure. So it still hasn't gotten totally through the area here, but you will have that rain enhancement somewhere along that front, and that's going to favor south and east areas. But these areas to further northwest are not out of the loop yet. We're just going to narrow down the exact timing and position of that frontal boundary of where it sets up over the next couple of days here, and then we'll get a better idea of who's going to get what. And as we go a little bit further here, still have this energy behind it that's going to have to rotate through. So we'll have some leftover showers here on Friday, but not all the time. Call it mostly cloudy with a chance for a passing shower here on Friday. And then as we get up into later on Friday, you can see what's happening again here. We got these tight pressure gradient here. Again, with these winds are going to be kicking in here on Friday and Friday evening, and again on Saturday. So that's with that strengthening area low pressure here. It's still in close proximity, then high pressure is going to try to move in behind it. And just like we had this weekend, where you had the winds kicking up a little bit, I think you're going to be dealing with that a little bit into Friday night, and then again on Saturday for at least the first part of Saturday until this moves away. And then we might have another system here trying to move in here for later Sunday night into Monday. Another coastal system we'll have to keep an eye on. Right now it's probably to stay offshore, but that could change as we get later in the week. So do stay tuned. We have a couple systems here that are going to make our way through here in the middle of the week, and then maybe again as we get into the late weekend and early next week time frame. So it is going to be an active pattern. The only thing we're really going to be talking about this week is just the temperatures are going to be above normal through Wednesday. Then we're going to have turn sharply cooler as we head into the weekend again, and temperatures look to stay on the cooler side, probably slightly below normal as we head into for a pretty good stretch here from by the time we get to later Thursday through the weekend and into next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for November 3rd, 2014. Have a great Monday.